I want to show you my favorite firearm, and it's the Springfield XD9 subcompact. This is my favorite because this is the smallest handgun that has a light rail and carries 13 plus 1 rounds. Let me take the safety check. Okay, let me put on empty. As you can see there, up to 13 plus 1 in the chamber. Okay, let's put an empty magazine. There you go. So yep, this is my favorite handgun. This is a very popular handgun, and everybody knows the specs of this one. The reason why I like having a light rail, because I like having a laser, and here I have a Viridian C5L green laser sight, C5 series. Has a combination of light and laser, and you can change excuse me, and you can change the modes of the laser. And also, so far, this is this most compact laser and light that I've seen. Okay, and I wanna show you also what I did. I made a holster for this. It's an inside the waistband holster made of .08 Kydex, and I made it in such a way that it will work with the Viridian C5L feature, which is the ECR. If you buy a laser from Viridian, especially the newer models, they have this ECR, Enhanced Combat Readiness. And what it does is, when you pull your gun, the laser and the light will automatically turn on, and when you holster it, it will automatically turn off. So the ECR works with a Viridian holster, the tack lock holster. Unfortunately, hold on, that's the ECR logo. Fortunately, they only have outside the waistband holsters. So and I need an inside the waistband. So what I did is I made my own holster, and I made it with an ECR feature in it too. So it will work with the laser. There you go. Holster the gun, draw the gun, and you can just point and shoot. This is very important, especially in high stress situations when things can be very fast and you don't have time to react, like turning the light on. You don't have to think about turning the light or the laser on. You just draw the gun and you just point and shoot. So this is my favorite firearm, the Springfield XD9. I want to give a shout out to 3 people that I've known in YouTube. It's Scoot8317, Long 13 Hair, and Big Famine 14. Once again, thank you for this contest. I really appreciate all the giveaways, and I'm excited for the outcome of the contest. Thank you, dwilhoite, and more power to you.